Hi friends, welcome back to another exciting session of Green Trades. Before going ahead with new trade setups, I would just like to introduce about this channel, what we actually do here, and if somebody is new, I would recommend them to subscribe, like and share this to all your friends and colleagues so that they get the important information about the trade setups. So on this channel, we mostly work on small videos and precise videos that gives you information about the breakout trades or upcoming breakout trades that can come in the market and discuss on what potential entries and exits could be on the trade. So going ahead, the first trade setup that we actually had or worked on was PVR. तो जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं that market is all about potential risk to reward and favorable trades that we take. In this particular trade setup, considering the trend lines, we had actually shorted this trade expecting the target on the downside with a stop loss at this levels. तो हमारा stop loss PVR में hit हुआ है and we have moved on to the fresh trade setups. So in this particular trade or while trading, we need to know that our stop losses would come because it's a part of the game. Our analysis would go wrong, but what we give when we go wrong really matters and changes the dynamics of the trading system. So as we had discussed, this was the Asian Paints trade setup wherein we had actually kept the target of 3270 and our entry levels was at 3100 levels. तो अगर आपने ये एनालिसिस नहीं देखा है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड इट ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल और हमने यहाँ पर भी डिस्कस किया था अबाउट द ट्रेड सेटअप्स ऑफ एशियन पेंट्स. तो आप यहाँ पर जाकर देख सकते हैं. एंड इफ यू हैव नॉट yet subscribed to the Green Trades channel, please do so that whatever videos that I post and the analysis that I do, you get the information at the right moment so that you can take the trades accordingly. So this was Asian Paints trade wherein we are still in the trade and it's already in the profit. The second trade that we had discussed was IDFC First Bank, जहाँ पर अभी तक हमारा एंट्री विथ ब्रेकआउट हिट नहीं हुआ है and we are expecting or waiting to stay in the trade. As we know, in ACC we are already in the trade expecting the target of somewhere around 2830 odd levels, जिसका एनालिसिस ऑलरेडी मैंने मेरे ग्रुप पे शेयर किया है. इफ यू सी हियर, आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड द वीडियो एनालिसिस ऑफ ACC सीमेंट, or you can go and check the video and see at what levels we had taken the trade and how we are riding the profits at the moment. So आप ये भी analysis check कर सकते हो. Now coming on to the fresh trade setups, the first trade setup that is potential is Tata Chemicals. So now you can see Tata Chemicals is forming a small range or consolidation range. तो जब तक ये range breakout market नहीं देता, we will not be entering, but it is already in our trigger radar wherein we can expect either the breakout on the upside or a breakout on the downside. If we get a breakout on the upside, we are expecting target somewhere at this level of 1175 odd levels, considering it to be a previous resistance level. तो अगर मार्केट ब्रेकआउट देता है, we can enter in Tata Chemicals somewhere at around 1060-66 levels and expect a target of 1175 with a risk of somewhere 1021. So below this our stop loss would come in if we get an upside breakout. Now we do not know whether market will give upside breakout or downside. तो अगर मार्केट डाउनसाइड ब्रेकआउट देता है, एज अ ट्रेडर वी नीड टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल इन द मार्केट. सो वी विल ट्राई टू टेक एन एंट्री एट दिस लेवल्स पोस्ट ब्रेकआउट फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 960 इफ द स्टॉक ब्रेक्स बिलो 1020 लेवल्स. ओके, तो ये दोनों साइड से ट्रेड आप एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हो. अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे, यू वुड बी अंडर एजम्पशन कि अपसाइड में मैंने इतना बड़ा टारगेट दिया और डाउन साइड आई हैव केप्ट अ लेसर टारगेट. That's because you can see that there is a gap up that has happened here. So this particular resistance which market had broken would act as a support because market एक gap fill करने के बाद फिर से पेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स एग्जीक्यूट करके अपसाइड मोमेंटम दिखा सकता है. That is the reason we are trying to be a little bit cautious and book the trade with as quick profits as possible. This was on Tata Chemicals. Now let's come on Coforge. If you had to follow me, or not just follow me, also my students who are already there or taken my masterclass program would have pre-endedly known where to enter in Coforge trade. अगर आप यहाँ पर एनालिसिस में भी देखोगे, आई हैव ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड द कोफोर्ज बाय लेवल्स, ओके, विच वॉज इन द मॉर्निंग, इन द इवनिंग पोस्ट मार्केट क्लोजिंग, and I had given a level of, when it was at 4116, I had told to buy at 4120 levels with target of 4810 and stop loss of 3930. So 4120 was our entry, which is already triggered, and the current market price is 4237. So you would already be expecting a profitable rally out here with a target at this levels, which is approximately at a higher resistance level and which is easily achievable. So that's about Coforge. And secondly, just to add on, once the trade is in your favor, guys, make sure that you have some trailing stop loss method wherein you don't let all the profits go for a toss. Because if markets just start reversing from here, you need to make sure that you take something out of the trade, and that will only be potentially done when you have some system of trailing your stop losses. Okay, so keep that in mind and take that trade. Okay, the next trade setup that comes is Ultratech Cement. If you see Ultratech Cement, again it has given a breakout at 7106 level, and it has sustained above this level, so which gives us the confirmation that our entry ideally should have been somewhere at this level above the close, which is here at 7114. But if somebody has missed, he can still enter the breakout, because there is a potential upside swing which can come strongly in this particular stock. So even if you are entering at this odd levels of 7169, you can plan to keep a stop loss somewhere below this range of 6891 and go for a target of the entire range of the breakout zone. So I can expect a target of 8120 odd levels or 8140 odd levels in Ultratech Cement. So my entry would be somewhere at 7230 odd levels and target would be here. So when we calculate a risk to reward for my long position, okay, let's say my stop loss comes at this level and my target that I'm driving is for this, the risk to reward comes to somewhere around 1:3.32. So I'm trying to drive for the target of 1:3.5 approximately. So I feel this can be a really beautiful trade setup and which has a very high potential of giving a breakout. So that was it for this videos, guys. Just to add on a small disclaimer that trading has a high value of risk involved. So take your financial decisions very carefully, because if there is a positive side, there is a negative side too. So plan your financials, take the advice of the financial advisors before taking the trade, and all the best for your upcoming trading sessions. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.